Interactive Broker's honest review. Watch before using. If you're serious about trading or investing, then Interactive Brokers is likely on your radar. Known for its low fees, wide range of investment options, and powerful trading platform, this broker caters to both retail and institutional traders. It's designed for experienced investors who need access to a global market, whether you're trading stocks, options, futures, forex, or even cryptocurrency. One of the standout features is the IBKR Pro account, which offers tiered commission rates and access to advanced trading tools like Trader Workstation, TWS, perfect for those who want real-time data and analysis. For those looking for something simpler, the IBKR Lite account provides commission-free trading for U.S. stocks and ETFs without sacrificing access to global markets. The platform also integrates with IBKR Mobile and IBKR Global Trader, offering mobile access for trading on the go. But it's not all positive. Interactive Brokers has a steep learning curve. The platform is packed with features, but that also makes it overwhelming for beginners. If you're just starting out, it may take time to get comfortable navigating the interface, especially TWS. Additionally, while the platform offers a lot, its customer service could use improvement. Response times can be slow, especially during market hours. However, if you're a serious trader or an active investor, the range of advanced tools, educational resources, and low costs make Interactive Brokers a strong choice. You'll benefit from Portfolio Analyst, a feature that lets you track the performance of your investments across various accounts. Also, their margin rates are among the lowest in the industry, which is key if you're trading with leverage. Just be sure you're ready to invest time learning the platform and managing potential support delays. In short, Interactive Brokers is best suited for experienced traders looking for sophisticated tools and low fees, but it's probably overkill for beginners.